In this video, we will see how to install Node.js on Windows 11. So let's start. Just open your browser and type Node.js. And this is the official website. Just open it. And here, this is the home screen. Here you can find everything like learn about, download, blog, document, whatever you want. Okay, so we just click on install Node.js and it will redirect to the download page. Here this is the version information, version 22.7.0 LTS version we are going to download, and we are downloading it for Windows, and we also have multiple options as per your choice. You can download it, and this is the Windows we are downloading, and we are downloading for x64 version. So download this MSI file, just click on it and it is getting downloaded. So once it is completed, we will open it. See, it is completed. Now let me open it. Click on, so this is the installation wizard. Click on next, accept the license and agreement, click next, and this is the default location. It is getting installed. Click next. No need to do on this page. Next, and here you need to check this automatically install necessary tools. Click next, install, and it will like yes. It will not take much time, only few minutes. Okay, let's wait. See, it is completed. Just click on finish. Now it will check for necessary tools. Click any key, and if required it will download. Yes, and here it is installing. See, it is done, and it is asking type enter to exit. Done. Now to check if it is installed, just open the command prompt and type node-v to check the Node.js version, and you can also check npm version npm-v. So that's it. Thanks for watching.